It's almost been a month since the previous devlog, wasn't it? I have a good news. It's finally the time for the third devlog of my game engine. Hello there, my name is McHorse, and welcome to another game engine development log. For the past month, I've been integrating my camera code from Aperture into the game engine. So, in my video game, I want to be able to add cinematics in various parts of the level, and for that there are two crucial components that are needed: camera and scenes. I already had camera system designed in my Aperture mod, so since both the mod and my game engine are written in Java, it took no longer than 3 days to port, and boom, Aperture's camera editor is here. It has 90% of the features present from Aperture mod. The remaining 10% are useless in the game engine, because those were our workarounds needed to work properly in Minecraft. As you can see, the interface is almost identical. The only difference is that it's integrated into Mapper-like dashboard panel, which makes it very easy to manage camera profiles without writing extra code. Nice, isn't it? So yeah, that's about it. Or maybe not, you might ask.
But McHorse, you said it took you only 3 days to port Aperture. What have you been doing all that time?
I'm glad that you asked this question. It's true that it wasn't hard. However, I'm not only ported Aperture to my game engine, and I also reimagined it, so to speak. Behold, clip-based camera system. Before you get overwhelmed, let me try to explain how this new system works. Aperture's original system consisted out of sequential fixture blocks, that is in order, and optional modifiers that could be applied either to the entire camera profile, or to individual fixtures. This was replaced with flexible non-linear clip-based system. All fixtures and modifiers were turned into clips, and can be placed anywhere in this timeline either horizontally, or vertically. The way playback works with clip system, is that as time goes on, camera player finds all clips that are at the current time, and applies the clips one after another from bottom to top. Effectively, placing clips like this, first idle at the bottom, and shake on a layer above, is exactly the same thing as idle fixture, with a shake modifier in Aperture. However, I chose to rewrite to clip-based system mainly for two reasons. It's much simpler, in terms of code, and it's much powerful. Simpler code means easier to debug, and less bugs. And it's much powerful because clips that used to be modifiers can be placed in between clips that used to be fixtures, but also not a full duration of the X-fixture clips. Beside that, X-fixture clips can be cross-faded, and clips can be much easier managed due to simplicity in which timeline is implemented. Selecting multiple clips, moving them around, removing, and copying to another camera profile was never been easier before. And due to the new design, non-camera clips can be implemented, like subtitles, or scene effects. So that was pretty much it. I also added poses to model forms, but it's not as cool as the new camera system. I really hope that you are as enthusiastic as I am about this new camera clip-based system. Thank you for watching, and until next devlog.